My name is Cian Duffy, and today I have the pleasure of presenting an in-depth analysis of J.P. Morgan Chase, one of the most esteemed financial institutions in the world. This presentation will cover various aspects of the company, including its overview, strategic positioning, and my personal aspirations aligned with J.P. Morgan. Let's begin with a brief overview of the company. J.P. Morgan is a global financial services firm with a strong reputation in investment banking, consumer and business financial services, transaction processing, asset management, and private equity. With assets surpassing $3.7 trillion, it stands as one of the largest banks globally by assets. The company employs over 300,000 individuals worldwide while fostering a culture of diversity and inclusivity. J.P. Morgan is at the forefront of technological innovation, leveraging blockchain, AI, and fintech to enhance customer service quality. This technological edge is critical in maintaining their competitive advantage and meeting the evolving needs of their clients' desires. I want to work for J.P. Morgan because they are a market leader with an exemplary reputation and a prestigious brand that would significantly enhance my professional experience. The company offers numerous opportunities for career growth and development, which are essential for my career path in financial sales and leadership roles. Working at J.P. Morgan would allow me to immerse myself in challenging and dynamic environment, aligning perfectly with my high ambitions. My finance studies have equipped me with a sound understanding of fundamental principles, including market analysis, model building, along with new analytical skills. Furthermore, my strong network in Chicago and Denver within the finance realm will support my career penetration and growth. The pestle analysis helps us understand the external factors affecting J.P. Morgan. Regarding political factors, the company navigates a complex landscape of government policies, tax laws, trade tariffs, and regulatory changes, both domestically and internationally. In the U.S., lending and profitability are influenced by Federal Reserve guidelines and state policies, while internationally, government changes and geopolitical tensions increase political risk. The bank's extensive lobbying efforts aim to achieve favorable regulations. Economic factors such as GDP growth, interest rates, inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policy significantly impact J.P. Morgan's operations. Credit and investment activities are influenced by interest rates set by the Federal Reserve, and economic growth boosts loans, whereas downturns and high unemployment increase defaults. Social factors, including demographic shifts, changes in consumer behavior, cultural trends, and societal attitudes towards banking, influence J.P. Morgan's offerings and corporate responsibility efforts. For example, demographic variations impact the demand for retirement and digital banking products, while cultural attitudes towards debt, savings, and ethical banking shape the bank's services. Technological advancements are foundational to J.P. Morgan's operations and competitive positioning. Investments in digital banking enhance customer satisfaction and reduce costs, while advanced cybersecurity measures protect financial data and build trust. Initiatives like JPM Coin, blockchain projects, AI, and machine learning optimize risk assessment and customer service, boosting productivity and efficiency. Environmental factors, including compliance with climate change laws, pollution control, and sustainability initiatives, are crucial for J.P. Morgan. The company must manage environmental risk, such as extreme weather events, to protect financial stability. J.P. Morgan's commitment to sustainable finance includes investments in renewable energy and green bonds, aligning with market trends and corporate social responsibility goals. Legal factors encompass various issues, including anti-money laundering laws, counterterrorism finance, securities regulation, data protection, and employee rights. J.P. Morgan must navigate these complex regulations from the Federal Reserve and SEC in the U.S. and abroad. Additionally, the bank faces risk from customer lawsuits, employee litigation, and competition issues. Now we'll discuss Porter's Five Forces, which is an analyst that reveals the competitive landscape for J.P. Morgan. The threat of existing competition is the most significant force for J.P. Morgan. while they contend against major domestic competitors like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Citigroup, as well as international banks like HSBC and Barclays. Low consumer switching costs exacerbate this competition, which allow customers to easily move their accounts. Regarding bargaining power of consumers, corporate clients and high net worth individuals hold substantial bargaining power due to their large accounts. Individual consumers have less impact, but JP Morgan addresses this by offering attractive sign-up bonuses and encouraging clients to open up multiple accounts. And bargaining power of suppliers. Suppliers include depositors who can provide capital and employees who provide labor. While individual depositors have minimal bargaining power, large corporate clients and groups of depositors pose significant threats. Employees, particularly those with specialized skills, also hold considerable bargaining power. To touch on the last two, services like PayPal, Apple Pay, and peer-to-peer lenders provide financial services traditionally offered by banks, increasing the threat of substitutes. JP Morgan counters this with digital innovations like Chase Pay and extends services such as small businesses lending to maintain a competitive advantage. And regarding new entrants, the threat of new entrants is low due to high barriers like substantial capital requirements, brand creation time, and complex regulations. However, JP Morgan remains vigilant about competition from established banks and other developed economies such as China. The VRIO framework analyst highlights JP Morgan's sustainable competitive advantages. Regarding value, JP Morgan offers unique brand integrity and innovative product offerings. Their large conglomerate structure allows easier equity through raising internal sources. Regarding rarity, the company's international presence not only increases assets and revenue, but also enhances cultural exposure and recognition. Imitability, JP Morgan places great emphasis on fostering a problem-solving culture, maintaining competitive pricing through efficient production capacities and economies of scale, and provides a unique customer experience. And lastly, regarding organization, JP Morgan engages with customers at multiple touch points seamlessly, ensuring repeat purchases. All training is conducted in-house, extending beyond individual job roles to personal growth and development, and sustainable investments in R&D further enhance the company's capabilities. JP Morgan follows a diversification strategy at the business level by offering high-value services through expertise and innovation across various sectors. This diversified portfolio maximizes revenue streams and reduces risk during economic downturns. JP Morgan also incorporates aspects of blue ocean strategy, emphasizing innovation and technology to create more convenient and affordable options for their clients. Now we'll discuss corporate level strategy. Regarding vertical integration, the company controls various phases of the financial service value chain, from underwriting to asset management and advisory services, ensuring comprehensive financial solutions for clients. Regarding horizontal integration, strategic mergers and acquisitions have substantially grown JP Morgan's market share and capabilities. Notably, mergers include Chase Manhattan, Chemical Bank, and Bank One Corporation, along with acquisition of Bear Stearns and Washington Mutual during economic downturn. These integrations have enabled JP Morgan to venture into new geographical locations, product markets, reinforcing its position as a leading global financial institution. Another factor to add on is consists of capabilities. Some of these include advanced technological innovation, strong risk management, and strong financial position. When it comes to my interpretations and recommendations, I have a very positive interpretations of JP Morgan. I'm very impressed that JP Morgan has a strong presence in over 100 markets worldwide and remains a leader in the financial industry by continually improving digital banking and blockchain technology. To further enhance its position, I recommend that they increase focus on emerging markets, expand financial inclusion, and enhance employee development. Finally, after analyzing the overview of JP Morgan and its competitive standing, I want to reiterate why I think I would be a strong fit for the company. It's the skill sets listed being interest in financial sales, relevant experience in fixed income, finance major, and others set me up for success within the financial sales, and I feel that I would be a great fit at JP Morgan.